how to fix set time and date grayed out on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're also facing such issue where your set date and time is grayed out just like this, as you can see, I cannot enable or disable it just like that. So to fix that, what you need to do is just head to your settings, and once inside your settings, simply scroll all the way down until you see the option that is screen time. So simply select it, and once you select it, now scroll all the way down until you see the option that is change the screen time passcode. So simply select it. Now you can do two different things. You can either change your screen time passcode itself, or you can just tap on this turn off screen time passcode. So just tap on that. So once you click on turn off screen time passcode, you might have to enter your passcode. So let me just quickly do that. And just like that, you have successfully disabled your screen time passcode. And you can also actually disable this option that is here across device, which might be the reason causing your grayed out for set time and date. So once you do all of that, just head back and simply scroll down or click on this general option. So again, scroll down and click on this date and time, and as you can see, now I will still be able to enable or disable and change or fix the set time and date grayed out just like that on iPhone. So I hope this video was informational, guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on the next one.